Hi, this is Angela Moorad at OMazing Kids AAC Consulting. This video is a quick tutorial to show you how to add a button that can jump to another page in Grid for iPad. I'm here on my iPad in the SuperCore Learning grid set, but this process would be the same regardless of what grid set you're in. So over under Play, second page, I want to add something for sensory. So I'm going to go into edit mode, edit grids. Let's see. Let me tap here first on the button. I'm going to select jump to another grid, and I want to do copy grid and then select what I want to copy. There's a template in here. And I'm going to rename that to Play. Sensory. And this will prevent me from accidentally overwriting that template, that blank template, so it's important to make a copy. Play sensory, and I'm going to put 12 so I know that I'm on that size of grid set. Done. Okay, and so immediately you'll notice, oh, that doesn't look the same. Go over to the one next to it and tap on the paintbrush, and you can see the style is jump. And so go back over to the button we're editing, and I'm going to change it to that style, which brings over the formatting, the color, the size of the font style, everything about it will make it match. All right, so now I'm going to edit that cell and rename that just to say sensory. And then it'll take you over to where you can pick whatever symbol you want. You can use one that's in here. If you have another symbol that you like better for sensory, you could import that by saving it on your camera roll and then importing it here into the app. I'm just going to stick with that one for now. And then done. And then I'm going to tap on that. And then I would go in and create my content specific to this topic. But I'm not going to show how to do that. I'm assuming that you already know how to do that if you're wanting to add a button that can jump to another page. If you need to add a way to jump back to the home screen, you could do that. There's a button action to jump back to home. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is because this is the design of this app. And that showed that the button action is jump to, and you saw me copy that template so I'm not accidentally overwriting it, and that way that template's there that I could use in the future to add more content if necessary. Okay, so finish editing, and then if I wanted to, I could go back over into the larger size and do the same thing and add that button there. Hope this helps.